Alright, let's try recording without a microphone. This time we'll just run off the computer mic to see what happens. So you want to add new. One of the first plugins I always install is Bulletproof Security. Search plugins. Install now. Click OK. Now let's activate it. And we're not going to bother setting this up right now because this plugin likes being the big dog in the pound. So what we want to do is wait until we install a few other ones, and at the end we'll set this one up. Okay, and I have a plugins list I will put on the website here. All-in-One SEO Pack, I tried that already and their website seems to be down today, so what we'll do is install Contact Form 7. So add new, search, install now, activate it. Next on the list, Comment Love is one we have to manually install. Add new, search, install now. And all of these plugins are free except one, and the one that isn't free is not totally necessary. I teach how to organize your blog posts, and that's what the plugin does. It's called Seopressor. Activate it. And next, let's go to Feed Widget. Add new, search, install it, activate it. After the Feature widget, this one here installs a bunch of other ones, so that's why I'm skipping some, but it doesn't install Google Privacy Policy. So we add new, search it, install it, right here, the top one, activate it, and next, TinyMCE Advanced, add new, search it, and notice that TinyMCE is all one word. Install, activate it, and I'm going to pause the video at this point and see how the sound is coming. Okay, that's enough of the annoying noises from the big computer. And this is a lot slower, but it sounds a lot better, so I'll finish up with this and I'll put up with it from my end. Okay, let's try the All-in-One SEO Pack again. And it doesn't matter which order these plugins are installed in. Here we go, All-in-One SEO Pack. Search plugins. Install now. Activate it. And the next one is a bit different. We have to go seek it out on Google and we must download it. So head over to Google and we search for Jeff Johnson free traffic getting SEO. Click right here, and as Jeff says, download the software by joining my mailing list, and that's what you have to do. So you click here, you enter in your email, and he sends you the link to your email address to download the plugin. Now the last time I did this, it took 3 or 4 days to get this plugin, so you may have to move ahead in this training while you wait for this. And when you do get this, it's going to come to your desktop there's going to be a link that comes in your email address, and you click it and download it, and it will end up on your desktop like this. Okay, so Jeff is going to send you a link in email, and it's going to allow you to download this plugin, and this plugin comes in a zip format. Now you're going to notice right here that I have a bunch of videos. What I do is in my classes I teach video splitting, and the video that you just finished watching is right here, and the one that you're watching right now is going to be placed right here, and it will be 2 or 3 minutes long. What this does is allow a lot of search engine traffic from websites like Google and like Yahoo and like Bing. So now let's get back to our plugins. Okay, this time we add new, and we upload because it's on our hard drive, not on the internet. So we've got to browse, and right here, open it, install now, and activate it. Now let's set this one up while we're at this. Let's go to confirm your blog system requirements and agree to terms of service. Now we go install TGSP and proceed. I agree to the company terms of service. I want to optimize my blog now. Now let's scroll down. And here it shows that the blog is optimized at 16.46%. Click on Apply Blog Tweaks and OK. Let's scroll down again. See, it's at 23.43%. What we need to do now is click here to install the recommended plugins. Now this plugin itself is going to give us a whole slew of plugins to install. So let's get busy with it. These plugins could all be installed one at a time without the free traffic getting SEO, but it's a lot easier this way. All we need to do is simply right click, open in a new tab, do this to every one of these. Now we go to every one at a time, click install now. And after we install them, we come back to each one at a time, just simply activate it. Looks like that one activated. Activate, activate. Then we can come back and close up all of these windows. And this is the original window here. Let's refresh, and all of these should turn green. If they're not, that means I did something wrong. No, let's install this one. Install and activate. Refresh and check again. Just make sure these are all green. If they're green, that means you're good to go. So now let's go back to our installed plugins, and what you want to do is take this list I'm putting on the website in our course here and cross-reference these and make sure that they're all installed and activated in here. I just checked, and one that it didn't install, that it obviously doesn't, is the Google XML sitemap for videos. So search, and this is the right one. Install it, activate it, And we are good. The only thing left is the Seopressor. The Seopressor is $47 for one website or $97 for unlimited websites. It is something that's not necessary. It just basically teaches you how to organize a blog post, which I do in my classes. So let's go right now and install Seopressor. And again, it comes from the desktop. So I go Add New, Upload, Browse, Seopressor, Install. And the thing with the Seopressor is that there's a new version out, and I'm so familiar with the old version that I'm still using the old version. Anyway, let's activate it. And that is it. This is the plugins completed. And when I come back, what I'm going to be doing is setting some of these plugins up. Some of them come already preset, and some need to be set up yet. Also, we need to add a couple of pages to our blog to go with these plugins. So I'll see you then. As I was saying, the Bulletproof Security is a very important plugin, and your website is not protected until you set up your settings. So let's go to your settings, and we're going to get rid of all of these warnings up top. What you want to do is create default htaccess file. Now you create secure htaccess file. Now below this there are 4 radio buttons. You bulletproof the top one, activate. Scroll back down, you bulletproof the second one, and you activate it. You scroll down, the third one, you activate it. Now the way to tell if this is working or not is you check your security status. If this is all green, you are good. As you can see here, there is some red. So what we need to do now is go to the backup and restore. And on this page there are 3 radio buttons. So you check on the top one, back up your files. And this one right here is the bottom one of the 3. There's your backup files that we just fixed. So you click on the bottom one, you skip the middle, backup master files, and let's go back up and check security status, and we are all green. This means we are good to go. Now every time there's a major change, or what the VPS security plugin sees as a major change, we're going to have to do at least some of what we just did all over again. So let's go back to our dashboard. And let's get rid of this.